Discount and markup is always a really good application of percents. So when we're dealing with discounts, obviously we would start with the discount rate multiplied by the original price, and that would give us the discount amount. Now, just as we did before, it's not going to give you the new price. So if you want the new price, you'll take the original price times 1 minus the discount rate. So say you've got a 20% discount, that means you're actually paying 80% of the price, because 100% minus 20% is 80%. And that would give me the new price. You can do this either way that you want. All right, so you're going to purchase a pair of jeans for $42. They were originally $60, so you're getting a deal. And that means they were discounted $18. What is the discount rate? So we're trying to find the rate in this case. So probably easiest thing to do would be use that first equation. Original price is 60. Discount rate is what I'm solving for. Discount amount is 18. So normally they won't give you that 18. You would have to subtract to find the 18. And then when I divide, I find 0.3, which of course means that my jeans or your jeans were discounted 30%. It was 30% off sale. The same idea holds true when we're dealing with a markup. So anytime that someone sells something wholesale to a company and that company sells it again, they mark it up so that they have some money sort of along the path. So it's the same exact idea as we did before, where you have the original price times the markup rate equals the markup amount. It's the same way we did with discount, but be careful down here that before, when I was using a discount, it was 1 minus the discount rate, but because a markup adds to the price, we need to add the markup rate to 1. So if you have a 10% markup, don't put 90 here, put 110, because that's how much of the original price that you are paying. Unfortunately, this is a true story. The BU bookstore charges $100 for an 11-week Alex 360 access code. You can purchase that code directly from Alex for $72. What is the percent markup of the BU bookstore? Now, this is not a whole percent, so you're going to have to round to the nearest whole percent. So we're going to use that first equation. The original price is $72. We're trying to find what is that markup rate, and the markup amount is not 100, but is 100 minus 72, which is $28. So you're paying an extra $28 in order to get that Alex code. So to solve, I of course would divide by 72, and that gives me 0.388, and that 8 just keeps going. So about how much did BU mark up the Alex code? That would be 39% if I was rounding to the nearest whole percent, because I would move it 2 places and the 8 says rounded up. One last question for you to try on your own. So try all 3 parts, then press play to see how you did. So you have a sales price of a gas grill at Lowe's for $108, and it was marked down 25%. So we need to start by finding the amount of the markdown and the new price of the grill. So it started at 108, and we're going to mark down the grill 25%. So the amount of the markdown would be the original price times the 0.25, so times the discount. If I multiply 108 times 0.25, I get 27. 27 represents the amount of the markdown, so $27 off for that gas grill. So what's the new price of the grill? I would just take 108 minus 27, which would give me $81. Again, if it were just this question, I probably would have done it in another way using the 1 minus, because if I took 108 times 0.75, which is the amount I was paying, I would also end up at $81. Now, of course, sales tax is great. So if I'm also paying a sales tax of 6%, I would take 81. And in this case, instead of doing it in 2 parts, I would take it times 1.06. The 1 gives me the 81 that I already paid. The 6 is the 6%. This is the 1-step method. If you did it in 2 steps, you would take 81 times 0.06 and add that to your 81. The total price that I paid for my grill is $85.86. So again, I didn't find out sales tax individually, I just found the total price.